How to schedule an email in Gmail. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the easy steps on how you can schedule an email at a later time. So as here you can see, I am currently in my Gmail, and from here I have clicked onto this compose option, and in this dialog box I have typed in my sample mail. So after entering the recipient, the subject and the body of the email, I can proceed on to schedule this particular email to be sent at any particular time in the future that I want. Now, after you are done typing in your mail, you can see this send button over the bottom left corner of this particular dialog box. Now, you don't need to click onto the send option. Rather than that, click onto this more send options arrow or this drop down arrow. Once you will do this, you will see this option that says schedule send. So simply click onto this schedule send, and then from here you can either set these specific times like tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon, or Monday morning, or you can also choose to pick up any custom date and time. To do that, click on pick date and time, and from here choose any date and also the time. If you want to change the time, you can simply delete this and type in the time and then click onto this schedule send, and now you can see that the message has been successfully scheduled for this particular time. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.